Bonjour everyone, welcome back to my channel. Madame Blue here. So this video is going to be days 2 through 5, and I decided to do it this way because the first week of the month is always slow for me. So and I just don't see the point in posting little short videos every day. So yeah, this is day 2. This appointment is just like a maintenance appointment. I didn't even get a finished picture or video. I'm like, what the heck? Just to check her length. So I only got a picture after we cut her hair, and that's it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back, and I'm sorry the camera looks kind of ugly here. I used 2 different devices to record, and this particular one I kind of cracked the camera part just a little bit. So a lot of times it's grainy, but it's the one with all the memory. So this service isn't a full sew-in. It's basically just adding tracks within the real hair. Y'all, I done left the press and comb and forgot all about it. Don't worry, I did not use it. So I'm just putting my sticker labels on my headbands. I got some new headband styles in. Make sure you check this out on my online store at madamblue.net. And these took forever to come. I don't know what my vendor was doing, but I'm like, fam, I ordered these before Black Friday and I just now got them. So I'm just labeling these, making sure they're ready to be sent out or picked up, however people place the order. I'm on my way to the post office, and I really wish that my orders I got for Black Friday, I could just like do a group of orders at one time, but I like to get things out as soon as possible, so that's just not the case. So I'm just dropping off one order today. So it is, I have one more client left. All my appointments were back to back today, but luckily I've been finishing early, so I actually have time to go get me something to eat. Hopefully they don't take all day. To go get me something to eat because, y'all ignore my hair, because initially I did not have time. I ate at 10:30 today. This is gonna be the first time I can have time to go get something to eat. It's now 3:45. So I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then my last appointment is just easy. It's just a braid down for a wig. So it's not as busy as it was earlier. There's still a few people in the parking lot, but when I got here earlier, there was nowhere to park, which is why I'm all the way down there. Like, I know what my car is, but I usually park like the first 2 parking spots. Somebody don't know how to park. So I'm about to go to my favorite place that I didn't even know it was over here, y'all. I've been at this location for 5 years and I never knew that this taco shop was here. And I tried this taco shop in another city, like further east. So I'm on the West Valley of Arizona. So I tried this taco shop with my friend who's on the east, or closer to the East Valley. And I was like, oh my God, it is so good. And then one day I was driving, because right in this area it's like Walmart, Ross, Home Depot, all that stuff over here. So I was leaving that area and I was like, what kind of taco shop is that? And I never knew the name of this taco shop that I used to go to. Kind of found out it's the exact same one. I was like, oh my God, I've been having this good food over here this whole time and didn't even know. Lettuce, pico, cheese, and sour cream. And then I get mild green sauce. And you guys, that is the end of the week for me. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. And TTYL.